Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are learning skill based approach. So let's we start. Multi skill approach. The isolate the isolated study of oral, situational, structural communication approach cannot help much. They should be combined together as per need of students. Here oral approach is combined with situational approach, and situational approach is often combined with situational approach, and use of structures in communicative approach, so it may be called in integrated approach also. Next is the four skill of language: learning, speaking, listening, speaking, reading and writing are to learn. Next, the four skills of language: listening, speaking, reading, and writing are to learn simultaneously, instead not separate. So the span of period is distributed such as a way that all skills can be learned one by one. Next is this approach insists on learning their skills in integrated manner. Next is here first listening correct English, speaking correctly and fluency what is listened, reading what has been spoken, and writing correctly what is reading. This way teaching and learning should follow. This sequence of reading steps are followed by teachers. This sequence is correct and useful for making lesson note. Next is this approach gives importance to all four skills development. This approach advocates coherence in development of the listening, speaking, reading and writing LSRW skills. Next is importance. First, integrated development of four steps: students active participation, easily development of uh, things ways, and only one period. All skill gives equal importance. Skills are learned skills are learned spontaneously. It is natural approach to learn a new language. It provides enough practice to master each skill. Next is the learner finds the difficulty in acquiring their skills. Merits. This approach maintains the proper sequence in teaching a new language. It helps the learner to use the language. Next is this approach is activity based and learner centered. Students take part in every activity and they learn a new language in natural situation. Next is demerits or limitations. First is the teacher teaches skill wise. After completely listening, he goes to speaking, then reading, and at last writing. But these skills cannot be learned isolately. When the teacher teaches learning, reading, and writing together is beneficial. Next is to teach with this approach. A resourceful resourceful teacher is needed. He should be well in planning. He should plan activities. Supporting material should be prepared, and next is most of the school in our country don't have adequate audiovisual aids. There are some schools where there is neither adequate place to sit comfortable and learn, nor good blackboards, or not electricity provision. How can a teacher implement this skill based approach in such a situation? Next is it requires conductive atmosphere to learn a new language. Society, media, and school atmosphere should be supportive to the learner to learn a new language. Unfortunately, the school in rural and remote areas don't have these things. Next is language is learned by constant practice. The skill based approach suggests a lot of learning experience to be provided to the students. But in our school timetable, there are only 6 periods of 30 minutes each in a week for English. This is don't enough time to teach a language with skill based approach. It requires more time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel, share, like, and please comment. Thank you.